get more practice with understanding the key words here. So what you are going to be doing is on our sheet that you have here, for each one of our vocab words, you are going to do the same thing that we basically did for the characteristics. So for each one of our vocab words, you are going to go through, and in the definition, you are going to highlight the 5 or less words that are the key words to help you understand what these were. So remember, for civic duty, the definition was a citizen has responsibilities to their community and government. And we said the 5 most important words in that statement were citizen, responsibility, community, and government. You in your table group for majority rule did the same thing. No thank you, lights are red. I need for us to have a seat. So this is you not listening, because remember I said we're not going to change the lights because they're going to be changing back, but I need for you to treat this as red. And even if we didn't hear that, we've been in school long enough to know if somebody is talking, we don't do things to disrupt. So in your table group, you are going to discuss together. You are going to read each of the vocab definitions. As a group, you are going to decide what are the 5 words that best help me to understand what this means. Now, I have 3 hints for you. The first hint, all the stuff on this sheet is talking about ancient Rome. Do not waste 2 words by highlighting ancient Rome. Are those words important? Yes, but the whole thing is about ancient Rome, so you don't have to waste words because you only get 5 of them. So if you highlight ancient Rome each time, that only leaves you 3 words to summarize. Okay, so don't highlight ancient, don't highlight Rome, because those are already there. Okay, second hint, remember your learning goal. If you see a word that is in the learning goal, that is also in the definition, that's going to be an important word. So for example, government is in our learning goal. So if you see the word government in the definition, you should highlight that word. Okay? My third piece of advice to help you out. You do not need to do small words like a, of, and, the, stuff like that. Okay? Just get the words that are the key words for the definition. That will help you out a ton. So once again, for the 10 minutes we have left until it's time to pack up, you and your table group are going to go through that sheet. If you're doing this at home and you don't have the sheet right now, these are the same words that are on visual vocabulary. So you can go to visual vocabulary and get the words from there and do the same thing with the definition and highlight it on visual vocabulary. Okay? Any questions on what we are doing? Awesome. You and your group may go ahead and get started. You can consider the lights being on purple again.